You think you've ruined it, you think you've gone too far, that I've changed my mind about you, but I haven't. Not for a moment. Not even when you walked away. Not even when you gave up. I was still there. I saw you at your lowest. When you cried silently in the dark. When you smiled during the day but broke down at night. When you pushed everyone away because you thought you weren't worth loving. I was there. You didn't see me, but I never took my eyes off you. You've been trying to heal wounds you never talk about. You've been holding your breath for years, and you wonder why it still hurts. I know why. Because you never let me touch the pain. But I'm here now, and I'm not leaving. You replay your mistakes like a broken record. That one choice, that one relationship, that one moment you wish you could undo. But I didn't come to remind you of your sin. I came to free you from it. I didn't come to point at your scars. I came to heal them. You are not your worst day. You are not your past. You are still mine. And I don't love a cleaned-up version of you. I love you now, even in your mess, even when you doubt me, even when you doubt yourself. You don't have to earn your way back to me. You just have to turn around. Like the father ran to the prodigal son, I'll run to you. I've never been angry with your weakness. I've just been waiting for your honesty. Come to me. Bring your shame, your secrets, your pain. Bring the things you've never said out loud. I already know, and I still want you. Let me carry what's been crushing you. You don't have to pretend with me. You don't have to perform. You just have to come home. I still have plans for you. Yes, you. Even with all that happened, even with the years you think you wasted, I can redeem what was broken. I can restore what was lost. I can rewrite your story, not to erase the pain, but to show how love won anyway. So let me start again with you. Let me remind you of who you are. You're not too far, you're not too broken, you're not too late. You're still mine and I'm still yours. Breathe now. I'm not going anywhere. This is the moment we begin again. Together. Comment. I'm not too far. Save this if you've ever felt like giving up. Share with someone who needs to know it's not over.